right, we went to go on our first ride and all of a sudden we lost the drone. We found it, but she may be broken. It's been a wild week here at UTV Invasion at St. Anthony Sand Dunes, and it has been a nightmare for us. I don't think we've had one car not have a problem. One guy had to get an exhaust for his. Brent's stock car, we had to redo the clutching. The thing couldn't make it up choke, and we'll show you it not making it and then showing you making it. Brent was having problems, couldn't even climb choke. So then we did just some bikeman clutching. Let's see if he can climb it now. Oh, he's struggling, but he's gonna make it. He made it. All he did was clutching. All he did was clutching, and now he's at the top versus couldn't make it to the top. Good job, Brent. And then, so we had to reclutch even a stock car. My car, I had a plugged up air filter, and so then we had to retune and get a new air filter for mine and stuff like that. So I had to retune mine and set mine all up. Jared, he blew a diff on his bikeman car.
Oh, because the other front wheel's not blocked?
Yeah.
Too much power to the car.
Tiny fluid a little bit.
For Pro R?
I can go crawl. My phone's back in camp. I'll go crawl.
I got my phone here. If you
Let's see the metal chunks.
Oh, I don't know where the phone is.
She's done. Jared smoked the diff. Maybe I'm happy that mine was running a low boost. Clout lost the turbo like.
Try this at home, kids.
Don't try this at home, huh? She's smooth. Risking fingers for wins. We've missed every event at UTV Invasion, except for the wheelie contest. And as you can tell, if you watch the wheelie contest, my car wasn't even ready for the wheelie contest, but I had to show up because... There you go. Not good. We missed so many events. I will say this, if you're gonna go to UTV Invasion and go to the event, like, you need to go camp over there. Last year we camped over at UTV Invasion and we were over there at the event. We made it to everything with UTV Invasion with what they had going on for races. But this year we parked over here at Egan Lakes in between all the cars breaking down and working on them. And then after that, you barely missed the window to the event because we gotta go, 15-20 minutes that way, so we're just barely missing everything, and I'm bummed. We went all this way. UTV Invasion usually does a lot of cool races, and I love doing those little short course races and stuff, and we just missed the last one. So pretty bummed about it. Sorry, Trevor. Love to have been there. I wanted to go to them, but we did go riding. But every time we had all the cars running, everybody's cars running, there was no event at that moment. So needless to say, it was kind of a crapshoot, but we are going to do some racing against some big power cars. And I will say this, it is like the who's of bringing Pro Rs with turbo kits on them and Mavars with tunes on them and stuff. So it should be pretty fun. We should be able to get some pretty good races. Stay tuned for all that. We're going to go dune for a little bit. We'll show you some cool stuff. And then he just left a streak of antifreeze. She is glowing from pulling Jared's Pro R. He had a coolant line go out on him, and power, so we just pulled her in. right, now we got electrical issues. It is to the very last night. Jarrett's car, just no power whatsoever. So we're working on it now, but it's been a wild week.